All right, what do we got?
All right, first one comes from VIP Brad Squad member Indira Rupnarin saying, if you are undocumented, can your child over 21 become a citizen and sponsor you?
If you're undocumented, yes, as long as you came in with a visa. So I don't know what you mean by undocumented. I mean, you don't have documents at the moment, or you came without inspection. There's a big difference.
Okay, next one comes from It's a Apple Pie, another Brad Squad VIP member. How long after a parent receives a green card can he or she file for their unmarried child over the age of 21?
The next day.
Okay, Ofur Okiji on Instagram. Do you know if President Biden has any good news for people with asylum pending cases who have their work authorization already, but are still waiting for the decision to be mailed to them? I've been waiting since December 12th, 2019. That was when I did my interview. My second question is, are we going to be under amnesty too?
I don't know the answer to either one. I don't know President Biden. We only know what we read in the newspaper. And what he says is there's going to be an amnesty, and he's going to go back to the old amnesty laws and regulations of President Obama. We're still waiting for that to happen.
Sandra Campbell on YouTube. My spouse petitioned for me. Now we are currently awaiting for our interview date. He just filed our taxes jointly and owes the IRS $600. He paid it and has the proof. Will this affect us during our interview?
No.
Betty O on YouTube. I'm going for my green card interview, and if I tell them I worked earlier this year while being out of status and filed my taxes, will that jeopardize my status and my chance?
Not based on marriage to a U.S. citizen, it won't.
Robert Padilla on YouTube. For advanced parole, what supporting documents are needed?
You need proof that you have a pending adjustment and proof that you have a reason to travel.
Sophia R. Gray on Facebook. Can a green card holder file for his husband who is in Jamaica?
Yes.
David Ogbu on YouTube. How can I get a work authorization if I file for VAWA with a green card holder?
You can still file an adjustment application based on VAWA to a green card holder. File your adjustment and file an I-765 with it.
Ken Kibbet on YouTube. How long does it take to renew a work permit? I filed in December 2020.
Like 6 months now.
Abdul Latif on YouTube. If the I-130 is approved, what is the next step? My wife is on an LPR visa and I'm out of status in the U.S. now, and my travel documents expired.
You need to get your case to the National Visa Center and do a provisional waiver, or make your wife a citizen, one or the other.
Rika Thomas on YouTube. Can I fly from state to state if my I-94 is expired?
Yes, because I doubt they're going to ask you for legal proof that you're in legal status. They're going to want to make sure that the person getting on the plane doesn't have a gun, a bomb, and you are who you are. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.